Hi everyone, welcome to the day one of Engage More, Earn More challenge. And today we'll talk about Facebook Insights, what metrics to track. And please note that all the metrics that I am talking about here are specifically for monetization and brand showcasing purposes only. Okay, these are not your admin performance, moderator performance. This is specifically to how to engage more and how to kind of earn more. So you can see your Facebook Insights in your managed group. This is the place where you will see it, and you'll get this document in the first link in the comments. Okay, and I will just keep on showing you here also. So just removing my face from here till here. Yeah. So this is where you get all the insights. This is the place where you have all the insights. Okay, manage group on the left side. Then you can see data in these insights across any time range. So you can see data last 7 days, 28 days, 60 days, and custom also. Okay, just go on growth, and you can select your data from here, custom or your own. Then it helps you answer the following questions. So this engagement dashboard, this growth dashboard, this insights dashboard on Facebook helps you answer the following key questions. What is the growth rate of your community? So if I look at how my community has grown from 1st August to 22nd November, on 1st August I had about 500 members. On 22nd November I have about 1044. So it's grown by about 100%. Okay, if I look at these numbers here, just 1 second and I'll do it live with you. So going all the way from 1st August to 22nd November, we can see that we had about 470 members here and about 105. So it's about double. We have doubled the members. Okay. The next thing that it will tell you is that how many people are active in your community. Okay, so if you can look at this is the graph of daily active people in my community, and you see that this was around 200 in August. It's around 400 average in November, October. So the number of people active daily in my community has gone up from 200 to 400. Okay, and the total number of people in my community are about 1000. So about 40% people are active daily in my community. When are they most active? This is something that you will kind of find here in the engagement piece, where you will find the most popular days when they're active and the most popular time. Conversite also gives you this, but this is also a very visual representation of the most popular days and the most popular times. Then what is the reach of a post in my community? You can look at the top posts in the engagement section, and here you will see seen by. So what you can understand here is that the top posts have about 50% reach in the community and good posts have about 30%. So then coming down to, you can also come to know where are my top members from. So if I look at membership, I can easily tell which top countries my members belong to, which top cities, which helps you understand the demographics and the location of members, and this helps you understand the age and gender. So in our community you can see that mostly people are from India, but now people from US and Singapore are also increasing, and most of us we have are women community builders and leaders. So this kind of gives you the idea of what kind of demographics your audience has. Okay, and so my top members from top countries and cities, and with respect to gender. So this in short is everything that you should be knowing in your Facebook Insights dashboard to track key metrics for any kind of brand relationships. I hope you enjoyed this. Please share your own Facebook Insights dashboards, and we'll tell you and we'll help you understand what the data says about your group. Thanks a lot.